Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here to show you guys my retwisting process. It's also my birthday weekend and I am doing a very last minute maintenance. No, I didn't intend on freshening up my hair before going out today, but when I woke up this morning, I just felt really compelled to do so. So that means I gotta hurry up because I gotta sit under the dryer. I want to let you guys know that I do have a sale. Well, actually, by the time this video comes up, the sale will be over. But if you do join my mailing list, you just go to KeishaCharmaine.com and the mailing list opportunity will pop up on the screen. So sign up. Because if you signed up to my mailing list, if you signed up for my mailing list previously, then you already knew about my sale and then you probably took advantage of it already. But yeah, so you can sign up that way, or you can go down in my description and find the sign up link there too. So I am oiling my scalp with the horsetail leaf growth oil, which is a customer favorite of mine. This is like my OG product and it has stood the test of time. The reviews on my Instagram speak for themselves. I don't have too many reviews on my website yet, so I just recently implemented that review feature, so I don't have that many reviews on my website. But if you have purchased it, I would greatly appreciate it if you went to my site and left a review. So guys, what's new? So I plan to finish this retwist in 20 minutes. I'm not going to be chopping it up with you guys for 20 minutes. So I'm going to just talk to you for a bit and then I'm going to fast forward. And I have this heat on. Let me turn it off because it's too much. Do my hairline a little more. Wait. So what's going on? What's going on? What's new with you all? It's Pisces season. Okay, my birthday is on Monday. I'm filming this on Saturday. And yesterday, was that yesterday? Yes, it was yesterday. Yesterday I filmed this. Check it out. I'm taking you on a journey with me. First, I have to drop off my packages at the post office and at UPS. And then I'll be going to Ernest Foods, which is a Black-owned grocery store out here in Queens. And it is the first storefront where you can buy some Love, Light, and Locks products. And I want to show you guys a lot of the other Black-owned brands that are in this grocery store. And as last I heard, there are 32 Black-owned brands in this grocery store. And I'm really excited to be a part. What do we have here? And my gels are cheaper in store, so if you live in Queens, you know where to go.
Only when I want it, baby, I want you. Where the fire fills the room, and love's the only feeling I know I knew. When the fire fills the
So there's a Black-owned supermarket in Queens on Merrick Boulevard, 12301 Merrick Boulevard. And they have over 30 Black-owned brands up in there, okay? And I happen to be one of those brands. I am newly in the grocery store. You can get my Love Light and Locks gel there if you're in Queens, or if you're in New York City, if you're local, visiting. Definitely go and support my brand as well as all the other Black owned brands there. This is my first brick and mortar that's selling my products, and hopefully my products will be in a ton more, so stay tuned. And if you happen to have a brick and mortar, if you have a salon, if you have a beauty supply store, things of that nature, a health store, and you would like to carry my products, please reach out to me. We are now doing wholesale, obviously. So I'm gonna like really get into this massage real quick. Okay. Again, I'll be using my Love Light and Locks gel to retwist it, and as it gets dry a bit throughout the process, I'll be re-moisturizing it with the rose water moisturizer. Okay.
You see, I'm afraid that your kisses in the night might have made a mighty, mighty glow in my soul. If I blind the sunshine, it ain't no fault of my own. You see, I was raised in the village, so my third eye prolific in your grains as far as I know. That cute time, bikini lime, and that's why, Father, I'll go to be with you. Where the fire fills the room.
So I did manage to finish my hair in time. I retwisted it to the side for like a little sweep action. This is my fit. You know what? I'll actually show you guys more inside of the restaurant. Okay, stay tuned. I gotta go.
When the fire fill the room, I'll run after a train for your loving. Reach like the morning sun, sail on a circle line. I'll board a little plane for your loving. Oh yeah, I'll find a way. Leave the town or run around. I'll say what I gotta say to be with you. You're treading kinda light, yeah, I see your eyes. You're messing with the time, special in mine. You're going with the flow, trying to get it right. You've been advised, you're fucking with the real kind. Cause there's a fine line from out of sight, and I don't mind, you can't deny. So when I'm feeling low, yeah, you're quick to find a little light. You pull me to the side, tell her I'll run after a train for your loving. Reach like the morning sun, sail on a circle line. I'll board a little plane for your loving. Oh yeah, I'll find a way. Leave the town or run around. I'll say what I gotta say to be with you. Where the fire fills the room, and love's the only feeling I know I do. When the fire fills the room.
Alright, so let's cheers. Can we cheers?
Cheers to the baddest bitch.
Cheers to
See her. Cookie Lion. To Oreo and them.
Oh my god.
Baby, all this cheese is so bad.
She said, "God." I just like look at the children.
Cheers. wrong sound effect. How I look, y'all? Just go my fur? No? Leave a comment below.
Time we spend it goes mile a minute. He can't wait to get it and hold me. He like for bro shop and keep it